It's the 26th of the month. Payday was the first. Junior opens his banking app, and the balance is almost gone. This is Junior. He earns a good salary. He pays his bills on time. He didn't buy anything big this month, and yet he honestly cannot tell you where the money went. If you've ever felt that, good income, nothing to show for it, no idea what happened, this one is for you. Here's the part nobody explains. The money didn't vanish on one big mistake. It left in taps, small ones. A coffee here, a delivery there, a second subscription he forgot he had, amounts so small he never felt a single one leave. And that is not bad luck. A card is designed so you don't feel it. Researchers at MIT proved exactly this. Prelec and Simester ran the study. People were willing to pay up to twice as much for the same item when they used a card instead of cash. Not 10% more. Nearly double. Think about that. Same wallet, same person. The only thing that changed was how the money left his hands. Scientists even have a name for it. They call it the pain of paying. Handing over a real bill stings. Just a little. And that little sting is the thing that makes you stop and think. Tap a card, and the sting disappears. So you keep going and going. A card quietly turns your money into points in a game. Junior had been losing that game every month, without ever seeing the score. Quick thing before we go on. If this is already useful, take 1 second and subscribe. It's how I know to keep breaking these down. So Junior tried something that looks almost old-fashioned. He started cash stuffing. It's simpler than it sounds. On payday, he takes his spending money out as cash. He splits it into labeled envelopes. Groceries, gas, eating out, a little for fun. Then he spends only what's inside each envelope. When an envelope is empty, he's finished in that category until next month. No overdraft. No ugly surprise on the statement. For once, the limit is something he can hold in his hand. Think of each envelope as a lane with a guardrail. You move freely inside it, but you can't drift into the next lane by accident. And this is not some new internet trend. Families ran entire households this way through the Great Depression. Dave Ramsey built his whole budgeting method around it. Cash stuffing is just that same envelope system made visual for a phone camera. You've probably been told your problem is the daily latte. It usually isn't. The real problem is that you can't see your total until the money is already gone. Cash puts that total back in front of you before you spend it. Here's why it actually works. It's not about willpower. It's about friction. Junior brought the pain of paying back on purpose. Watch his first month. His eating out envelope held $80. By the 20th, it was empty. The old Junior would have tapped his card 6 more times that week and never noticed. The new Junior saw an empty envelope and cooked at home instead. The taps he didn't make added up to almost $300 by the end of the month. Same income. He just started feeling the money leave. Now, honesty matters here, because most people online won't tell you this part. Cash stuffing is not for everyone. Carrying cash means no fraud protection if you lose it. You earn no card points or rewards, and your rent and your online bills can't be paid out of a paper envelope. So the smart version is a hybrid. Your fixed bills stay on autopay, where they're safe and automatic. The envelopes are only for the spending that actually leaks. The food, the shopping, the little extras. That's exactly where the money hides, and exactly where cash stuffing wins. And here's the part that surprised Junior most. He expected living on cash to feel like a punishment. It did the opposite. He felt calm. For the first time, every dollar had a name, and nothing could disappear without him knowing where it went. It's the 26th again. Junior opens the same app. This time, the number doesn't scare him, because the money isn't hiding in his account. It's sitting in envelopes, doing exactly what he told it to do. The money was never really the problem. He just could never feel it leaving. Now he can. Want to learn more? Check the channel, drop a like, and subscribe.